Big day, FANO expiry, volatility and key stock highlights. It's last Thursday of November month and today's trading could be one of the most critical for traders. Do you know why? That's because of the November FANO expiry. As these contracts end, there could be sudden spurt in volatility. Well, if FIIs look for short covering, then there is a bright chance that Nifty shall close comfortably above the 24,500 mark this November FANO expiry, Thursday, 28 November. Buzzing stocks. 1. Siemens India is in limelight on impressive Q2 results. 2. Adani Group stocks are now in bargain hunting mode after the group refutes bribery allegations against Gautam Adani, Sagar Adani, and senior executive Vinit Jain under the US Foreign Corrupt Practices Act, FCPA, by the US Department of Justice, DOJ, are incorrect. 3. NTPC Green had surged by as much as 14% on its trading debut. 4. Ola Electric was locked in a 20% upper circuit after the firm launched its GIG and S1Z range of scooters designed to unlock the full potential of electric mobility for the masses. The new models, including the Ola GIG and S1Z, come with various features and are priced between 39,999 rupees and 64,999 rupees. 5. Vodafone Idea continues to hog limelight amid buzz of bank guarantee waiver. The latest policy shift builds on the Cabinet's 2021 reforms, which eliminated the need for guarantees on spectrum acquired prospectively. Please note, this week, Vodafone Idea is already up around 25%. 6. Mandem should be also on watchlist after the launch of two new electric sports utility vehicles, SUVs, the XEV9e and B6e. The B6e will be priced at 18.90 lakh rupees, while the XEV9e will have an introductory price of 21.90 lakh rupees. Long story short, stock-specific action will dominate Dalal Street. Market trends. Global cues are neutral. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of rupees 8 crores while DIIs too bought shares to the tune of rupees 1302 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating rebound play. FANO November month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,000 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has cooled towards 14.62 levels. Nifty PCR, 28 November, is at 1.03 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 24th December, is at 1.16. Nifty outlook, Nifty could extend recovery towards 24,537 mark. Crucial levels, Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty, CMP to 4 to 75. Support, 24,200 to 24,150. Resistance, 24,350 to 24,400. Range, 24,150 to 24,400. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 5 to 302. Support, 52,050 to 52,000. Resistance, 52,650 to 52,700. Range, 52,000 to 52,700. Bias, sideways to bullish. Gift Nifty is comfortably above the dotted lines, indicating the benchmark Nifty is likely to stay in the green on backdrop of 1. WTI crude oil prices trading sluggish. 2. The Dow Jones and the S&P 500 flirting with their record highs. 3. Both FIIs and DIIs were net buyers in yesterday's bullish session. The only negative news this Thursday morning is that the US Personal Consumption Expenditures (PCE) price index for October showed the Federal Reserve's preferred inflation gauge ticked higher. Bottom line, the bad news of stubborn PCE inflation does not even matter, as the good news of resumption of FIIs buying is so good enough. Meanwhile, looking ahead, this week Wall Street and the US bond markets will be closed on Thursday for Thanksgiving and wrapping up early on Friday.